April 13, 1:30. So the girls and guys are busy with the tobacco. Almost done, I think. Ang animal pasin niya? Win po. Okay. So this is the drill use. I think it's a 60 millimeter or 6 centimeter diameter. So the barn number 5 and then barn number 6. So barn number 5 is small leaves. Something happened with the frame. The cable wowed. Number 6 and number 7. Looks like we used number. Meanwhile, number 8 is empty. So look like 7 barns. See, we have one of the LP agents here. He's teaching us or showing us something that needs to be rectified. So we're just going to learn what that is. So we're almost done for the first priming. So the agent is saying the side cover needs to be opened because some of the leaves are still green. And if you don't manage that, it'll be a reject. So I had the temperature in there. So the peak temperature is 54 degrees. Peak humidity is 90%. So that's what it is. So iingato pa lang ato side na. Ada pa lang ti green na ya. Kastoy.
Okay. Totally open pa lang nga dyan.
Nagpapanag.
Garing bigat. Open lang tayo dyan.
So di pagkuak na balik ka basta maluto man os pero wala nga.
Anyway, we're learning something. So yeah. Thanks for watching.